I think last time we left off on operations. Yes. What do we want to do now? How about the... Let's see. Let's work with some lists and arrays. Pardon me. Excuse me, not feeling too well right now. Or my mouth. Actually, we don't need to import anything there. Just do that. We don't even need this. Public static element dot. Okay, it's kind of lagging a bit. Just do that. And you may have wondered why that. Yeah, we have the string, the square brackets. Square brackets indicate an array. Or an array is a line of elements, basically a line of variables. Okay, let's get rid of the like this. That's informal. So, to create an array, we have to specify the type. Say int, and then the name. Just name it. Or you can have int, like that. Then we say new int, and here we put the size of the array. Let's just make it 5. And I usually prefer like this. And then, so now we have an empty array of integers, and the size of the array is 5, so it contains 5 integers. Now, how do we change the array? Well, let's say we can set the 0th element. So the first element is actually element 0. To access these array elements, use the name of the array, and then you use square brackets. Inside the square brackets, you put the index. But 0 is the first element, and 1 is the second element, and so on. This may seem confusing, but it will be useful. It will be, how do I say this? It's better this way for some operations with other lists. I say equals to 4. This is 7. This can be 8. This can be 10. And now we just yeah, my spelling sucks. if we just do plus to put concave, then we'll actually add the numbers instead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do say I'm going to use printf. So this is something else. Printf. And we can just read the Java doc here. Printf is like a print line, but you can format it. So I believe we have %d. And I believe %d is supposed to be a number, and then we just put and unfortunately, if you try to print the array itself, it won't work. Printing the array does not work. I'll show you. Let's go back to the console. So let's print A here. Yeah. And I can't type anything here. So don't try to print the array. So, but this works. And we can print C. It printed the numbers here. But it won't print a new line, so we found a new line. But /n, which means new line. So if we did this before this, just probably should have. And it's not even print lines. Print f. These have not been set yet, and they're just all zeros. And this is how you set them. There are other ways to create arrays. Ways. To use the square brackets notation. In curly brackets. Can put the numbers here. Then we can do the same thing here. So we still have to put a space between them. And the /n, we'll talk about the / characters, the special characters in strings some other time. What? I don't know what I pressed there. I think I pressed something by accident. Let's see. This should work. And yeah, printed out the element. And here it's easy to see that the 0 here, the index 0 corresponds to the first element, does it? Now, we have a third way to initialize this. Let's just put it here. And this is basically the same as that. This is basically the same as the one above, but you can sometimes this is not allowed. The first, so sometimes you have to use this. Let's just put can't type. Yeah, let's put some big numbers in here. Sure, why not? Can't print this up again. We still have just copy paste from here. And there we go. And you can see this works. You can also make arrays of strings. I forgot to name it. Let's just call it D. Let's just put hello world here. Let's see. 16. Yeah, we accidentally press F11. This is not good. I mean F1. Here, I think it is too. Right. So, printf is what we want. And you can see the space here actually counts because there is no space here. But here we had a space, so we printed out the space and it didn't print out the new line because we didn't have the slash in. Yeah. Something else about arrays is that you cannot change the length of an array. The length of the array is fixed. So if I did like D2 equals, just put an H in here. This will give me an error. See? I like this. Array index out of bounds. So there is no second index. So this is 0, 1, and here. And we can get the length of an array using We don't need to print f or anything. Let's say d dot length is equal to stuff if you want. We can have, whoops. Yeah. Usually the length is the most useful. I don't think clone is ever useful. You see. I'm not even sure if this works. Because okay. So let's see, it's in action now. Okay, well, yeah, we didn't print the new line, so it's still on the same line, but you can see the length is 2 because there's 2 elements in there, but the last index is always going to be length minus 1. And that's about it for arrays. I wish you a happy Christmas and a Merry New Year. Bye for now.